Your timeline of kingdoms and pharaohs. This is your classwork assignment. Please put your name here, first and last name. Instructions. You will place your pharaoh from your project into the timeline. You will need Wednesday's worksheet or part 1 of your project, either one, because you need to know the name of your pharaoh, the time frame of when that pharaoh was king, and their achievements. 1. In this timeline, you will add 3 achievements or accomplishments from your pharaoh, and that should be in your Wednesday's worksheet or part 1. A photo of your pharaoh must be added. 2. Each kingdom must have one major event that took place. Use the Duxter's reading to find an event. Add a photo of the event. Okay? So you want to focus on one first. All right? Who is your pharaoh? What is the time frame that they became king? And their achievements or accomplishments. Don't forget to add a photo. So here's an example. Here's your old kingdom here, time frame. And let's say my pharaoh 1 was during this time frame, the old kingdom. So I'm going to go ahead and put him, create a line here by clicking on this line icon and the text box. And you can put the text box on the top. Now you can use what I gave you already, or you can go ahead and create your own. Either one. Okay? You can put the time frame here, the pharaoh's name, and you're going to list 3 accomplishments. Now, your pharaoh might not be in the old kingdom. It might be in the middle kingdom or the new kingdom. Either one. Okay? Now, my pharaoh was part of the old kingdom. So my middle kingdom and new kingdom are empty. I need to add one major event from the middle kingdom. How do I do that? Here's a Duxter reading right here. You're going to click on Duxter. And if you want to do the read aloud, you can, and it's going to be at the bottom here. Listen to a recorded reading of this page. Or if you want to read it by yourself, that's fine. After you finish reading it, you can pick out one major event. One major event that I would pick out is the arts of ancient Egypt, which continued to develop during this time. A type of sculpture called the block statue became popular. It would continue to be a mainstay of Egyptian art for 2,000 years. The block statue was sculpted from a single piece of rock. Now, I can take that information and rewrite it. Okay, you can't just copy it straight from this article. To add a major event, I would click on the line here. Change it to black and make it thick. And then do a text box so that you can talk about it. Try to have at least 2 to 3 sentences. And start typing in a major event from the article you read. Then you'll go to New Kingdom and do the same thing. Read the article and create your line and your text box to write down one major event from that article. You will be graded on all information are added into the correct timeline, creativity in which slide by adding more photos, colors, etc. Provide complete sentences, spell check, and grammar. No copying from the internet, please. All right, please let me know if you have any more questions.